Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add zip code to vanilla gift card. Let's begin. Many online retailers require a billing address, including a zip code, for processing transactions. Adding a zip code to your vanilla gift card enables you to make purchases online seamlessly. Now, some merchants or payment processors may use the zip code associated with the card for verification purposes to ensure that the card holder is the one making the transaction. For example, I'm going to click on the custom gift card right here. You see, if you are using the vanilla gift card for subscription services, the zip code might be needed to confirm your location or for billing purposes. While most vanilla gift cards are now reloadable, some may still require a zip code for in-store purchases where zip code verification is used as an additional security measure. Now, for you to be able to add zip code to vanilla gift card, all you have to do is go here and click the activate your card. Just enter your card details to check balance, review transactions, or activate the gift card. And from here, enter the vanilla gift card number, expiration date. But what will happen is when you click on continue, you would be forwarded in the section where you can add the zip code manually. All right. Now, if you are having problems putting the zip code in this specific gift card, you might want to go here instead. This is the official vanilla gift card customer service, and these are the numbers that you can reach them if you needed any solutions and problems along the way, especially you're having problems adding a zip code to your vanilla Visa gift card. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.